Hey guys, this is our beautiful white silkie and black silkie back there too, doing their dirt bath. Love this. Doing it right under my plants in the sun. Amazes me how he is pure white, and even after doing dirt baths he stays so white to me. Let me see how close they'll let me get. Try not to disturb them, as they really enjoy doing this. And the dirt baths helps to keep lice and mites off of them, and it's how they clean their feathers. He's our pretty boy. He's very sweet so far. He's very gentle with our family. And his name is Yeti. We got him right around Christmas time, and he was just so white and fluffy. Reminded us of a Yeti, and then the little black one back there is Coco. And they are about 4 months old. Right now we got them as only a couple days old when we got them. It's raining dirt right now. As you'll see, they'll roll all in it. They fluff it up everywhere. See his pretty blue ear sometimes when he looks up. Hi, Yeti. Hi.